We'll guide you through how to join a Roblox Discord server. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you go and join the Discord server, you can become a part of a Roblox community. There'll be other players in there and there are different things that the server can go and do. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So what you need to do is you need to go and head to Discord. Some people like to use the Discord app, which you can go and download, or you can go and use Discord on the website. Here we are. Now, what you need to do is go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for add a server. It's the plus icon, click there. Then what you can do is go down to the bottom where it says already have an invite and you can press join a server. This is actually the easiest way I've gone and found of doing this. Now here you can go and enter in the invite link. You need to go and type in Roblox as like that. And then you need to go and type in unofficial, as this is the unofficial Discord server. There is an unofficial one, but this is sort of the best Roblox server you want to go and join. So there it is there, and you can then press join server in the bottom right. I've had to just go and confirm that I'm human here, which I'll go and click, and here we are. You've now gone and joined it. What you can then do is go and press start onboarding, and we can go through the process here. It's going to go and guide you through this, so just understand that it's a community run server, it's unofficial. You can choose the notifications to get, I'll press skip. Choose if you create stuff, I'll press skip, I don't. You can choose where you go and play Roblox and press next in the bottom right. Make sure you read through and agree the server rules. I have, so I'll press finish in the bottom right. And that's it, you've joined the server.